Hi friends, my name is Henry and today I'll speak to you about binge eating. Now, how to overcome binge eating? In order to stop unhealthy pattern of binge eating, it is important to start eating for good health. Manage stress. Avoid eating when you are stressed. Meditation, yoga, and other physical exercises help you deal with stress. Eat 3 meals a day. You may have some healthy snacks in between. Avoid temptation. Do not keep junk food, desserts and unhealthy snacks at home. Stop dieting. Deprivation and hunger of strict dieting can trigger food cravings. Instead of eating when you are bored, engage yourself in healthy activities. You may pursue your hobbies, call a friend, or even take a walk. Get enough sleep. Learn to distinguish between real and emotional hunger. Listen to your body. Eat only when you have that rumbling in your stomach, that is when you are really hungry, not when you feel like eating. Maintain a food diary. Write everything about your eating habits, like what you eat, why you eat whatever you're eating, when, how, etc. You will notice patterns emerge that reveal the connection between your moods and binge eating. That's all for today, friends. Take good care of yourself and people around you, and please pray for world peace. Bye.